Welcome back to Fast Money. Even with the recent rebound, lots of Fast Money viewers are still nervous about how to navigate the market swings. So let's get to a few questions sent in by fans who attended our last Fast Money Live event.
Hey, Fast Money team. This is Bennett, the dairy farmer from Bakersfield, California. I had such a good time at the live event a while ago. Thanks so much for doing that. The cows are doing well, but my portfolio, not so much. So if I could, traders, please give me some advice. Should I raise some cash and try to get in at lower levels, or should I just ride out the storm? Thanks so much.
It's nice to hear from Bennett. It's nice to hear the cows are doing well.
Great.
What would you recommend, Karen, in terms of cash and in and out and all that?
Yes, obviously, I would recommend absolutely staying the course. It is nearly impossible to market time. You want to know you have companies with good balance sheets that they can ride out the storm. And then I would just do that, ride out the storm. Wait.
Right. Let's get to one more.
Hi, Fast Money hosts. My name is Carol, and I bet some of you know exactly where I am in Washington, D.C. I have 3 children, aged 19 through 26. When I was their age, I invested in technology mutual funds, which I still own. Where do you suggest the young adults today in this volatile market sock their extra cash?
Well, Tim knew exactly where Carol was.
I was like, holy cow, that's Georgetown. She's standing right in Healy Circle. Good for you, Carol. And good for you for getting the young investors out there. And that's, in fact, that's really what we did at Fast Money Live. We talked about market volatility. We talked about long-term plans. We didn't talk about trading in and out of the market. And I think we're probably going to have jittery markets for a while. But ultimately, how should you be investing for young people? Part of it should be you need to be diversified, but you need to be reaching for growth. I mean, ultimately, these are people that are going to be in the market through multiple cycles and, frankly, shouldn't really care over the short run. But, buying, just a high-tech stock today that happens to be a fad, I would be careful about that. I would look more towards an ETF.
Yeah, and especially for your young investors, you want to be diversified and even think about longer term. Like your small cap companies actually tend to outperform your larger companies, especially as younger investors. Thinking of something like your tax efficient strategies might actually work. So think of like Roths and things like that might actually be really beneficial for your younger clients to look at.
Well, if you want your questions answered by the Fast Money traders, join us live for the next Fast Money Live event here at the NASDAQ. That's June 5th. Folks are coming from all over the country and even from down under, Australia, to join the party. So scan the QR code to your screen, or head on over to cnbcevents.com/fastmoney to grab your tickets. We're still counting down the days until June 5th because it's going to be a lot of fun.